38 here in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and today we have a 2012 Cadillac CTS-V that we put on an air suspension kit. This kit was sourced from Universal Air. It includes the bag kit for all four corners, 3/8" lines and fittings, a compressor, a 4-gallon air tank, as well as the airlift air management system. Some of these companies like Universal Air will source products from Airlift Performance and then be able to kind of put their own kit together, and that's the route that we took. The wheels are the 20x9 with a +35 offset. They are a niche Verona. And then the tires are the Motivos. The fronts are a 255/35 R20, and the rears are the 295/30 R20. We did have to modify that rear fender just a little bit to get these to tuck properly, since we are running such a fat tire on that staggered setup. All right guys, Brian, Posture 38. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're gonna see you in the next video.